Hello everyone. Today, let's discuss the Cisco Catalyst 2960 and evaluate its end-of-life EoL status, key features, and recent updates. Firstly, the Cisco Catalyst 2960 is now officially EoL and no longer being supported by Cisco. Sad to hear, but it's still a useful tool for labs and learning CCNA. The reason it's not recommended for real-world use is due to its security, speed, and compliance issues. However, its performance in terms of speed and processing power is still impressive for a single gigabit switch. Now, let's dive into the key features of the Cisco Catalyst 2960. On the surface, it has 4 gigabit ports and supports layer-to switching. But it also offers enhanced management features such as SNMP and traps and centralized monitoring through the Cisco IOS software. Additionally, it provides hardware-based security, including access control list ACL and port security. The Cisco Catalyst 2960's EoL status affects all its editions: Cisco Catalyst to 960SX, to 960LX, and to 960EN. While these editions are still available for purchase, their pricing and support have been revised accordingly. So, make sure to check the prices for the new EoL edition and consider the possible alternatives. Lastly, let's discuss some alternatives to the Cisco Catalyst 2960. As an alternative to the 2960, you might want to consider the Cisco Catalyst 9200 or 9300 series. These series offer enhanced security and scalability for enterprise environments. Additionally, you can look into other multi-protocol label switching MPLS products such as the MPLS Video over Ethernet MPO devices for high-speed video transmission. In conclusion, the Cisco Catalyst 2960 is no longer recommended for real-world use due to its security and compliance issues. However, it still serves as a great learning tool in labs for CCNA training. For more secure and scalable solutions, the Cisco Catalyst 9200 or 9300 series are worth considering as viable alternatives.